Trenchless sewer rehabilitation is without a doubt the central theme when trying to find a solution for the ailing sewage systems of most large cities. Renovating existing duct lines using optimal technology, creating a new, efficient and lasting sewer structure using tried and tested work programs. The current sewage systems are stereoscopically measured and surveyed exactly, and the largest possible pipe is designed and manufactured for each pipe cross-section. Only the installation pits are visible, through which the pipe elements are transported below ground. The relining pipes are connected by using spigot and socket joints. Even large diameter pipes can be sustainably joined using this tried and tested system. This self-developed installation procedure means not only safety for our employees, but this fast procedure is also highly efficient. The pipes are fitted together precisely by using an adjustable hydraulic apparatus on a forklift truck. Each joint undergoes a standardized test method. The employees then wedge the pipe and fix it for the final filling of the annular space. For insulation, a special concrete is pumped into every nook and cranny of the hollow space in order to stabilize the old sewer. The rehabilitated sewers meet the highest quality standards and international requirements.